This is the Divoom Ditoo Pro, a small, weird, and at the same time incredibly charming gadget. Now it even blinks like the emo robot. That's something I added myself, since the display is fully customizable. At first glance, it looks like a tiny computer from the 90s, but in reality, it's a Bluetooth speaker with a pixel display and a ton of fun features, which I'll show you in a bit. The Ditoo Pro is more of a desktop accessory that combines music, retro design, and a bit of gaming spirit. It looks like an old CRT monitor with a tiny keyboard, and that's exactly what makes it so cute and appealing. Let's unbox it together. The gadget came in this box. Let's open it up. Inside there is a capsule-like case holding the speaker. Everything is nicely packed. Honestly, it's good enough to give as a gift. The capsule itself looks like a little fridge wrapped in plastic. I really appreciate when a device is well packed and sealed properly. The packaging is amazing. Now I'll remove all the protective film from the body. On the back, under a rubber cover, there is the power button. Let's turn it on. In the box, you'll also find a multilingual manual, a set of cute stickers, and a nice braided USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable with a Divoom logo. The whole unboxing experience feels great and well thought out. By the way, you can get the Ditoo Pro for yourself or as a gift from the official Divoom website or on Amazon. It comes in 5 colors: white, pink, black, green, and blue. All the links and details are in the video description box. The Ditoo Pro is quite compact, about 12 cm tall and weighing around 530 grams. The keys click like a mechanical keyboard and feel really nice to press. The LED display is 16 by 16 pixels and can show animations, pixel art, time, notifications, and even small games. Everything can be customized through the Divoom app. There is a huge library of animations that's constantly updated by the community. You can scroll through it endlessly. It really feels like there is something from everyone. But if you still can't find what you're looking for, like in my case with the emo robot eyes, you can easily create your own design and share it with others. And before we continue, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. It's super important for promoting both the video and the channel. The more likes, views and subscribers we get, the more videos I'll be able to make and share with you, and the more fun and interesting the content will become. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos. And if you want to support the channel even more, you can hit the hype button. It helps push the video to new audiences and brings even more people into our community. Thanks a ton for your support. Let's continue. I was actually surprised by the sound quality. It's pretty good for its size. The 10-watt driver, it's more than enough for a desk setup or a small room. There is a decent amount of bass, and overall the EQ feels well balanced to me. Here's a short sample of my track. This is not just a Bluetooth speaker, it's a device that makes you smile every time you look at it and adds a cozy vibe to the room. Besides playing music, the Ditoo Pro can also work as an alarm clock, a timer, display the weather, phone notifications, and even run simple mini-games like Tetris or racing. The built-in 5000 mAh battery gives you around 7 or 8 hours of use, which isn't really enough to use it as a portable speaker, so you'll probably want to keep it plugged in most of the time. Otherwise, it's just one more gadget to remember to charge. In my opinion, there are a few more downsides. For example, the LED display uses PWM, so if you're sensitive to flickering or get eye strain for it, you might want to think twice before getting this device. Another drawback is the app. Yes, it's feature-rich and quite powerful, but not very user-friendly, especially at first. It takes a bit of time and patience to figure everything out. Also, the device isn't water-resistant, so using it outdoors in the rain or in the bathroom isn't a good idea. Overall, the Divoom Ditoo Pro isn't just a speaker, it's a decorative piece that brings life and warmth to your workspace. I like that it doesn't try to compete with premium audio systems, even though it costs around $100, roughly the price of a good JBL speaker. But it has something those speakers don't: personality and atmosphere. If you enjoy pixel art, retro design, and want your desk setup to feel more alive, the Ditoo Pro is definitely worth checking out. As an element of mood and inspiration, it's one of the most delightful little devices I've come across lately.